guys, it's your girl Kerry, Kerry, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I focus on fashion, lifestyle, and travel. So if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss a post. Now, see, I have some long hair. Long hair don't care. So as you can see from the topic or the title of this video, I'm going to be talking about this lovely length of hair that I have right here. I'm going to be showing you how I made my own drawstring ponytail, because it's the summer, and even though I have natural hair, I want to pull it up in a ponytail sometimes and do my thing. So without further ado, let us get in this video because I don't want to be long. This is going to be real short and spicy. I'm on summer break, so I won't be getting too much into the teaching vibe. Let's get into the video. I hope you enjoy. So to make this drawstring ponytail, we're going to need the ponytail net. And I bought this from Amazon. It was for $9.99 and I got it with 3 pieces in there. And in that pack also came the clips, because you're going to need those to hold the ponytail on your hair. And you're going to also need needle and thread to sew the clips on. And then the ear, it is Marley hair. I bought 18-inch also from Amazon. 4 pieces came in the pack for $30, and you will also need a crochet needle. To start out, I'm taking a piece of Marley hair and I am going to put the crochet needle through the net. Then I'm going to use that needle to pull the piece of hair through the net. Then I'll push it through the loop and tighten it so that it stays onto the net. And as I go along, I'm doing the edges first and then I'll do the middle. And you can decide how many pieces of hair you want to put onto your ponytail. I wanted mine to be thick and fluffy, so I used 2 packs of the Marley hair. But you can decide how you would want yours to be done. Once I'm done with the edges, I'm going in to put pieces in the middle so I can fill it out. Now it is time to sew the clips on, and I'm going to be sewing the clips on to the top section and the bottom section so that the ponytail can hold onto my hair and don't fall off. And now it's time to try my underwork. I put my hair in a bun in the back, and now I'm gonna test the ponytail to see how I did. I'm using the clips I sewed in to hook the ponytail in my hair. Then I'm going to be pulling the string to tighten the ponytail and use that knob to tighten the string. Then I will take some of the hair in the back and wrap around just to hide or to create the illusion that this is my hair. It's my hair. Don't worry about that. But yes, that's what I'm doing. I'm creating the illusion and also hiding the strings and clips. And there you have it, my very own DIY drawstring ponytail. Come to the end, and I'm sure you enjoyed that, right? Did you? Let me know in the comments. So I taught you how I made my very own ponytail. I actually love it. Mega living at this all summer my ear I'll catch up on fleek. Yes. So like I was saying, I hope you enjoyed the video thoroughly. I'm gonna be doing a little bit more of these videos, a little more DIY, showing you how I do those little tricks and stuff. I hope you like those kinds of videos. Also, leave in the comments, let me know what types of videos you want me to bring to you. Also, go ahead and follow your girl on Instagram. It is KASS_Styles, STYLZ. Follow me over there so that you can get all the juicy details on things that I post every single day. So like I was saying, I'm on summer break, so I'm trying to come up with little bits of videos for you guys just to keep you guys entertained, and it's also to keep me entertained too and keep my hands busy while I'm on summer break. But may I talk too much? So I'm gonna bid you guys goodbye. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you stick around this long, I hope that you liked and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 1K, guys. Help your girl get to 1K. Share to your friends and family. Tell them come follow me. Yeah, the only time I want them in my business. Tell them come and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Thank you again for watching. Mwah. See you soon.